On the 2nd of November at Sanctuary at the Mill, we will be having our Samhain Workshop and celebration. Yay! Oh gosh, this is just such a precious time of year, and it's such a I don't know, it's a staple of the Shenkido experience, I guess. And I really hope that lots of you people want to come along and be part of this. It's going to be a very shamanic event. We will be honouring our ancestors. We will be doing a shamanic journey to all the gifts from our ancestors. Often when we do ancestral work, we are trying to clean up and heal aspects of ancestral patterns that are hurtful or harmful or negative in some way or another. But this is about the opposite. This is about that great celebration. Think about all the wonderful qualities that you have that have been passed down through the generations, and all those supportive, nourishing, nurturing ancestors that had you back as a child and still have you back now, and that whole lineage of all those beautiful beings who have made you who you are today. So we honour the ancestors at this time when the veil is thin and where we can really come closer to a touching point, and we can spark and ignite and re-energise all of those aspects that will fuel us through this winter time, that will give us inspiration, energy, focus, power, celebration and joy. And Samhain is also the Celtic New Year. It's the big turn of the wheel, and so it's got all that energy of new beginnings and new starts and new vision and new focus and direction. And we're going to weave all of those things in together, and we will sing, we will journey, we will celebrate ourselves, our ancestors and each other, and we'll just have a really great but meaningful, powerful and poignant time together. So 2nd of November, and it is at the Sanctuary at the Mill in Crawshawbooth. All the information is where it always is, which is on the Facebook Shenkido page, the Facebook group, which is the Unity Community Vision group, and also on my personal Facebook page, Fiona Morgan. So yeah, get booking because it's happening soon. Mwah.